Hey everyone. So you may or may not have heard that we're having a little event this summer called the Food Truck Frenzy here at the Mathena Center on June 29th. And we've been working close to a year now on this event to give our community something different and exciting to do. And we really hope that this becomes something that we can share with you every year, and that you guys are going to support it and love it. And we really think that there's something for everyone. Craft beer and live music and some amazing food trucks are going to join us for the day. So I know we've been teasing you a little bit that we had a big announcement today. And I really truly wanted to wait until I had every last time slot confirmed. But when I woke up this morning, I just couldn't wait any longer. I really want to let you guys in on what we've been doing, and just so you can get as excited as we are about this event and what you're gonna anticipate for the day. So the first artist that I'm gonna mention that's gonna join us is Miss Emily Deal. And I actually got the pleasure of seeing her perform in Charleston last year, and I fell in love with her music. I think she's really amazing, and she's actually a local girl out of Summersville, West Virginia, just up the street. So I think she's gonna really go places, and I'm really excited to be on the ground floor of her coming here and being a part of the music she creates. The next artist we're gonna have is Kaiser, and they're gonna take us back to the 80s a little bit. They're based out of Grand Rapids, Michigan, and he's about to drop a new album in May, so that's gonna be something new and exciting that we have here with us. Next up is a band called Lullwater out of Athens, Georgia, and they're influenced by artists like Pearl Jam, Nirvana, Smashing Pumpkins, things like that. So they have that really great rock sound that makes you feel like you've been listening to them forever. I'm really excited to have them here too. Straight out of Nashville, we're gonna have Jasmine Kane here. She actually won the Nashville Music Industry Awards twice for Best Alternative Rock Band. She was the 2016 Artist of the Year, 2017's Best Live Rock Performer, and I think she's been MCMA's Best Female Rock Vocalist like 4 times. Smile Empty Soul is making a pit stop with us on their tour, and they're bringing a really cool grunge sound to the mix to shake things up a little bit. So that's some of the things that you have to look forward to. And at this point, you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but you said this was gonna be huge. Well, here we go. So a guy named Scott Bartlett from a little band called Saving Abel that you may have heard of is going to be here, along with American Idol alum CJ Johnson. They're going to do a set together. Really excited they're going to be here. It's super cool. We heard this morning that there was a little announcement that Hinder was going to end their Lucky 7 tour with us. So I think that's something really excited to think about. And I know you're probably dying for me to end this video, so you can head on over to our website to buy tickets. But before I do, I just wanted to say, but wait, there's more. So I've already told you that we're gonna feature some amazing artists, delicious food trucks, quality craft beer, but there's one more thing that I think you're gonna need. Because when Blue Oyster Cult takes the stage at the end of the night, I wanna hear everybody in Mercer County playing one of these. So run on over to the chuckmathenacenter.org website to get tickets while you can. Beer garden tickets are also available, sponsored by the Princeton Rotary. And we've got a list of some of our beer vendors that are gonna be here on our website as well, so you can see some of the different beers you can sample here that day. And before I end, I just wanted to say, on behalf of the Mathena Center, Community Connections, Kingpin Promotions, Rock Rage Radio, we cannot wait to spend the day with you at the Food Truck Frenzy on June 29th. And stay tuned, because we still have a few more announcements for you.